Hello there, welcome back to Steam Chasers. On this week's A Railway Guide, in what is slowly becoming John Schlesinger season, we have the 1979 film Yanks. Set during the build-up of Operation Overlord in 1944, a small northern town soon finds itself in the shadow of a large US Army base in a build-up to the Normandy landings. The film opens with a wide shot of Halifax in West Yorkshire. The same high shot today is obscured by trees, but if you go slightly down Southern Bank, you can clearly see the gasometer and Halifax Minster, and some traces of the viaduct. If we look at a map of Halifax, you can see where Northbridge Goods Station was, which ran along the viaduct, past the gasometer, past Halifax Minster here, and into the current Halifax station. Southern Bank is here.
There's thousands of them. Yeah. Just think of all them chips.
Stamford Golf Course, here in Mosley, was used for the army base. The power station in the background is Hartshead Power Station in Hayrod. The brown line going underneath the power station is the former Micklehurst Loop. Hartshead Power Station would close the same year as the film was released. This is Moor Lane Swing Bridge over the Manchester Ship Canal at Moor in Cheshire. In the background you can see Fiddler's Ferry Power Station, which opened in 1971. Yanks visits the Keighley and Worth Valley Railway several times throughout the film, including spending the last 10 minutes of the feature saying goodbye to everybody. At least 5 minutes of the film is people waving at coaches.
I'll keep the socks closed.